Money don't sleep and I gotta get paid. Tryna lift myself up, but the devil keeps talking down on me. At the end of the day though, you do you, but I gotta do me. Driving aimlessly, let's ride. Deep thoughts, just ride with me. Cruising over my KDM, don't say a word, just ride with me. Let's driving aimlessly, let's ride. Deep thoughts, just...
What up, KDMculture PH fam? Top of the morning to y'all. As you can see, we're starting the vlog off today with a little POV. It's about 5:30 in the morning right now. We're headed out to meet one of the homies. Get a little coffee in us. You know, a little coffee and chill real quick on this. Looks like to be a promising Sunday morning. Still kind of gloomy, but let's hope the sun comes out in a little bit. Yeah, just come join me. Just take a quick little drive, meet up with the homies, chop it up with a little bit, and I've got a special announcement towards the end of this video, or probably somewhere in the middle. You're not gonna want to miss this. If you're locked in, tuned in, just enjoy the little bit of the scenery we've got going on right now, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, all right? What up, KDM Culture PH fam? It's your boy Jag, back at it again with another vlog. As you've just seen, we've hung out with Mr. Buff City himself. Shout out to my boy Renz, coming through and kicking it. Just had a little bit of coffee, catching up. And as I was mentioning earlier, we do have a quick announcement to make. We are going to be hosting our year-end all KDM meet going down November 29th, Saturday. And this is going to be at our usual location, which is at the Ashana parking square. So of course, be there or be square. I hope to see you guys there soon. For all the newcomers, all the OGs and the usual folks that I see at our meets. Hope to see you guys there. And for all the newcomers, don't be shy. Feel free to come through. Even if your car is stock, everybody is welcome as long as you bring in some good attitude, some good vibes, and we should all be good. So just so you guys know, this is going to be our 5th year with KDM Culture PH. So for everybody that supported and checked us out throughout these years and been with us throughout these years, I appreciate you guys and thanks for all the support. And like I said, November 29th, Saturday, is going down that afternoon, rain or shine. Hopefully the weather cooperates with us. But other than that, I'll see you guys at the year-end meet. Peace!
Deep thoughts, just ride with me. Cruising low with my KDM, don't say a word, just vibe with me. Let's vibe.